Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Alice in Wonderland, so let's get started. To draw Alice, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and start with the bottom of a U. So just a nice round curve. Come right across. Nice and wide, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Okay, so now we have a nice round curve. I'm going to come back to where we started and draw a circle for the eye. So right on the edge. And do the same thing on the other side. So go right here. And then I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you, Draw So Cuties, for helping me vote that you wanted me to draw Alice here and, rather than the Wizard of Oz. So I'm going to be starting a new series with Alice and a bunch of the characters. So hopefully you'll be looking forward to that. And this is my new version of Alice. I did draw an Alice a long time ago when I first started my channel. So hopefully you love how this one turns out and that you think it's a big improvement. Okay, so from there, let's come up and we're going to draw the lashes. I'm just going to give it two curves and another one. Then from there, right in the center, about right here, I'm just going to give her a sweet smirk smile and cap it off. Aww. And then let's come above her eye and just come about right here. I'm going to draw a soft curve for her brow. And same thing on the other side, right here. There. Okay, so now we have her face in. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more, come to where her brow is. Then from there, we're going to imagine an oval and her hairline. So it parts in the center. So I'll say about right here. I'll pick a point about right there, and I'm going to bring down a curve all the way down. So nice round curve, and then it goes out. Then from there, I'm going to, let's see here. Let's come back down here and we're going to come about right here and bring out another curve. Just bring this, curve this out a little bit more. So same thing here, curve it out a little bit more and then come right here and draw another curve, but not too far out. We just want to be able to tuck her ear in here. So about right here, I'm going to draw in a curve for her ear. And I'm just going to come in here with some two curves for some indication for her ear. So same thing on the other side, but right here. And two curves. Okay, so then from there, now we can come in right here in the center and go up right in the center. Imagine going up right here. And I'm going to come out two curves that come down. And right here, I'm just going to flick a line down. And then let's connect it. So we're going to poof this out. And about right here, we're going to go ahead and connect. Same thing on this side. So it just shape right there. Looks kind of weird, right? But then we're going to come right here and poof out a curve to connect to this curve. So we're going to bring it all together. So you're just trying to create this extra step of hair right here. Come back in here, make some adjustments. Okay, so then from there, I'm just going to come right here and just start to curve out. But I won't finish it yet because I need to draw her body first. And let's come up here before I forget to draw the bow. So right in the center, once again, we're just going to come from the center and just pop out this curve and in. There, now we have her bow in. Okay, so then from there, we're pretty much done with her face. So let's draw her body. Let's come to the center, give her a little neck. Right in the center. And I'm going to curve it out for her shoulders. So because her shoulders, she has this apron thing that she's wearing, I can't go down and round it off. So I'm going to stop first and come right here, give her a collar, come to the center, this little collar that she has, and then I'm going to just go ahead and connect it with a curve. So I'm just going to be drawing these things first so I can kind of figure out where to draw this. So I'm going to bring this out a little bit more. Flare it out a little bit, I guess. Come out on the other side. And I'm going to bring this down. So I'm just still imagining her armpits about right here. So just keep that in mind as you draw this. So now that you have that curve in, just imagine her armpits about right here. And I'm going to just draw an angle line. This part's a little bit tricky, but hopefully it's a little bit easier to figure out. And then from there, I'm going to bring this down. So her apron comes inside. That's the tricky part. And then from there, let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. And then bring this down more. And another curve for the band on the apron. And then now you can go ahead and poof it out. There. Okay, so now let's come back up here. So imagine her shoulders is going to come out, dip, poofy, sleeve, round, and I'm just going to go ahead and round it in. So same thing here. Poofy sleeve, right there, and just connect it. So we have our sleeves in. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this skirt part right here. I'm just going to poof it out all the way. Let's keep going down. About right there. Stop. Now we're pretty even, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw some soft curves all the way down and back up. So just notice the bottom, the center part is a little bit lower and then it goes up. Then let's come in here and finish the apron. So we're going to come in right here, follow your outside. And same thing here. About right there. Now pretty much same level. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, just like the bottom. And now we have her apron in, and you can come in here with some details, some crease lines. Just flick out these curves. There. Okay, so then now her arms, I'm having them very simple, just to her side. So come back to where her sleeves are, a little bit straighter, and as it bends, right here at the waist area, it's going to come out. About right here, I'll just go ahead and tuck it in. So same thing here, a little bit straight, then come out, curve it out, right there. Once again, just tuck it in. And then her feet right here, center, so about right here and here. Slight angle line. That much. And then right here, and I'm going to taper it, and it's going to get thinner as we come to the bottom. And then right here, I'm going to start to go out with a curve for her shoe. And I'm just going to round it off and bring it right back in. So same thing here. Round it off, come out. This part angles out and connect. So then for some details in here for her shoe, let's see here. She has a band, so about right here, draw a curve. And then a strap, angle line following this, and then another curve. So same thing here, strap right there, follow the curve, follow the angle, and in for her shoe. And okay, so we're pretty much done except for her hair. So I'm just going to bring her hair nice and round and just tuck it in. So same thing here. Make sure I tuck in about the same area. And that is pretty much it. Fix the hair right here. And that is pretty much it, except of course, let's add a heart right here on Alice's apron. So now she's my Draw So Cute Alice. In Wonderland. So there, hopefully you love how this new version of Alice in the Wonderland turned out, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.